Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new project. This is Stamperia Romantic Christmas. This is a project for Scrap and Create and you can get your supplies for it there. I will have it linked down below. And I also have a link down below for the free cutting guide for this project. So let's take a look. It is a mini album. The pages are 6 by 6, the covers are 6.5 by 6.5. And it has a I thought it was a 2 1/4 inch spine, but this looks like a 2.5. Hang on. No, 2 1/4, I think. Can't remember. Check the cutting guide. They always seem bigger after they're made, but I think the piece that's in it is 2 1/4. It has a chain closure. Let me show you that first. And what I did with this one is it's just a plain chain from the front and the back. And it's got a little tassel attached at the base of the chain, and the charms on the tassel come from Scrap and Create, and when you order your collection you will get a little mesh bag with your charms. Okay. It has on the spine a rice paper cover, and it has just a plain back, and I used the little Tim Holtz ring fasteners to attach the clasp because you'll see when we do the walkthrough that the design of the book is such that I couldn't punch a hole through the cover. So I had 2 8x8 and 2 12x12s, and I know that this is not a big book, but I used most of it. There were quite a few cut-apart sheets, and I think that's part of the reason it took most of the paper. I used this bright red accent cardstock. I used craft cardstock for the construction. And most of the inserts, and I also used some white cardstock for accent. And I had the wooden shapes, and I had the card collection, I think it's called, which I'll have those linked below. All right, and these white flowers I also used from Scrap and Create. This gold ribbon, it's like a gold and silver sparkly ribbon, that's from my stash. And these little tiny poinsettias, they're from my stash. And they're ancient. I don't have any idea if they're even available anymore, but I'm sure you'll be able to find Christmas flowers at this time of year. So let me go ahead and open this clasp. And here we go. And again, this flower is from my stash. It's from 3 or 4 years ago, I think, a Prima flower. But I'm sure at this time of year, even just in the floral department, you'll be able to get a poinsettia. So on this side, we just have a little ribbon board, kind of what we did on the Passion album. That, and just some flowers and ribbon, and one of the little wooden shapes. I'm going to go through, I think, and add a strip of something here and in the back. I just haven't done it yet. And so this flips open. And there is a pocket, and in the pocket, this is from the card collection, and then just a little photo mat. There are 4 side pocket inserts. One side is matted with this letter paper, and the other side, it's going to look like they came from 2 different sheets, but they didn't. There's one sheet with lots of floral elements plus some text, so that's that. So I used 2 full sheets for those side pocket inserts. And then here we have got, pull everything out, triangle pockets overlapping. This is just fussy cut from one of the pieces of paper. This and this and this are all from the card collection. I made this little tag and then just a photo mat. Okay, and then this is an envelope stack. So this one opens, and the front 2 have little cards in them from the card collection. And then this flips this way, and there's another card there. And then this one flips this way, and then there's just a photo mat in there. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then here's another photo mat. The side pocket. And here we have a pinwheel. This is one of the wooden shapes. So plenty of room for a photo there. And a belly band here with some flowers. And it's double matted. This is from, I believe, the card collection, or it might be just from one of the cut-aparts. This is from the card collection. And then these are just matted photo mat. That's a matted photo mat. This is a little booklet. And side pocket insert, again with the letters on one side. And then this is that same sheet as the other two, but it's starting to show the foliage side. Okay. And then here we have a double fold out. And then here we have a vellum pocket that's framed with a window. Actually, it's not a vellum pocket. It's a regular pocket with a hole cut out and vellum and some fussy cutting. Another one of the wooden shapes. And then she pulls out, and of course I used a piece of the pattern paper for this piece, but you could go ahead and use, a photo there. And another side pocket insert. Okay, and this piece is just plain for a picture. And partly it's plain for a picture because we didn't want to interfere with this piece, which is a pop-up. Okay. And on mine, you can see here I used craft. I don't know what I was thinking. When you make yours, use white, okay? I'll tell you that during the tutorial. I came to realize that I should have used white, but you use white for yours. But I'm going to show you how to do it. There we go. And then there's the back, and here's our little clasp. Okay, so that is that. And I hope you'll make it with me. The tutorial's done. I just need to edit it, so that should start in a couple of days, maybe a day. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Again, visit Scrap and Create to get your supplies. Cutting guide for the project is linked down below. If it's not down below this video, which it might not be because I haven't typed it yet, but if it's not, it'll be below the first tutorial video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, and we'll get started with this book. Bye-bye.